Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to be splitting my face down the middle with a drugstore foundation that ranges from $7 to $10 depending on where you shop, and a higher end foundation ranging from $30 to $40 depending on where you shop. Want to see how I achieve this look and which foundation I prefer? Please keep watching. Inside of my face, I'm going to use the Milani 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. This is the color 2 Natural. For the left side, I'm going to do Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage and Oil-Free Foundation. And let's just jump in. So I did prime my face prior to putting on foundation. So I'm just jumping into it. Just doing half. Honestly, when doing these two foundations, I literally never, you literally cannot tell the difference. They're literally the same. There's nothing different about the two. In my personal opinion, I like the Milani more. Obviously, I use it in all my videos. It's more full coverage, and I feel like it lasts more during the day. It goes on so much more flawlessly, and it stays flawless throughout the day as well. So I really love Milani. Now we're doing Born This Way. This one, I don't really, okay, with this one, it's not that I don't like it. I mean, I like it, but I don't love it. I feel like it takes forever to apply it on and for it to go on the skin. I feel like it leaves little streaks when it goes on, so you have to make sure that you're blending it super good. You have to make sure that you're blending it super good, or it's not gonna go on right. I just feel like the Milani looks so much better already. So far I can say that I like the drugstore side better. I feel like the drugstore side, it went on better, smoother. I feel like it's more full coverage. There is no big difference. It looks like I use the same foundation for both sides. So I guess we'll keep it going and apply the rest of the face and see what it looks like at the end. But for now, I don't really see a big difference. I'm going to grab my Maybelline concealer. This is the color Sand, and I'll start applying this underneath the eye. I think last time when I wore the Born This Way foundation, the concealer didn't sit right on it. It made it really crease. It made, I don't know, the concealer just didn't look right at all for some reason. While the powder is setting, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation 6 in the color Contour, and I'm just going to start contouring the face. Same way I'm talking about foundation, you can do the same thing with contour. You don't have to go out and spend so much money on contour. You can literally go into any drugstore and pick up a dark concealer and contour with that. To bronze up the face, I'm going to go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I actually got this last month in my Play Box by Sephora, and I've actually never tried the bronzer before, but I'm absolutely so obsessed with it. I think it's the perfect bronze color, and I literally think it's becoming one of my favorite bronzers. Once I run out of the sample, I'll actually buy the full size of the product. Another tip for you guys is if you want to buy something but you're scared it's not going to look right, always make sure you go for the sample size. Sephora and MAC do have samples of every product, so just make sure you ask for samples, or if they don't have one, you can actually buy in sample size to-go products, and try it that way. Don't sit there and spend $30-$40 and then end up not liking it. Always make sure you test it out first. Even if you have to go to the store and apply it and walk around all day with it, if that's what you gotta do to save some money, that's what you gotta do. But I do recommend the Play Box, just because they send you so many samples, and I mean, I found so many products in my Play Box that I absolutely adore. The way I know, hey, I got this product, I tried it out, I love it, I wore it for a couple weeks, and I'm obsessed and I want it. That way I'm not just wasting money on on products that I don't even need. Guys, don't be like me, because before I would just buy makeup and not even like it. Like, I have so much foundation and so much makeup. I have a Kat Von D foundation that's sitting over there, and I've wore that foundation 1, 2, 3 times tops. I paid what, like, how much is that foundation? Like $40 something, and I wore it like 3 times. I don't like it. I just don't like it, and I'm so stupid because I could have just tried it out in store. I could have bought a sample of it, but no, you know, I had to buy the full foundation and just wear it 3 times and not like it. So don't be like me. We're just gonna push the powder into the face. I'm gonna grab the Kat Von D contour and highlight palette. I'm gonna be grabbing Levitation, dip the beauty blender in it, and place. So this is just going to brighten up the area. It's going to brighten up your under eyes, and it actually looks really good. And this also helps with the creasing as well. I've noticed I don't crease as much either. I'm going to go ahead and jump to blush. I got this blush in my BoxyCharm this month. This is the Laura Geller blush. This is the Baked Blush and Brighten, and this is the color Tropical Hues. This is what it looks like inside. I thought it was so pretty. So with this blush, it's so much easier to apply it on the drugstore side than it is on the high-end side. Like, the drugstore side takes it right away. And the higher end, I have to keep putting it on and putting it on. Like, it won't take the blush. Yeah, it looks so much better on the drugstore side. The drugstore foundation took the blush right away. Like, I did it twice and boom, it was on there. Higher end side, I had to keep applying and keep applying, keep applying, and I feel like the drugstore just looks so much better. It looks so like smoother and more flawless. I'm gonna grab the Becca highlighter. This is the color Champagne Pop, and start placing this all over the face. I'm going to go into the NYX Chocolate Lip Liner and start applying this over. I don't know what kind of lipstick I want to do today. I don't know if I want to do matte or like lip gloss. I feel like I have like 1,050 million lip glosses, and I never know which lip gloss or lipstick or matte lipstick I want, and it's ridiculous. So I think I'm just going to apply this and then just go with the flow. I'm going to try the NYX Soft Lip Matte Cream. This is the color Canes. I think it's like a pink color, so I don't know if I'm going to like it because I don't feel like rocking pink today. Yeah, no, next. Okay. So I think I'm going to try the NYX Lip Cream in London. It's more like a nude, which I feel like will go pretty good for this look. I'm going to apply the Prep Set and Glow, and this is by Iconic London. I'm just going to set the face. Alright, and that does complete the look. Now, looking at everything come together, I can honestly say that they're pretty much the same. I mean, they're the same. The outcome is the same. I feel like the drugstore foundation is a little better for my taste. I feel like the highlighter and the blush look better on the drugstore side than they do the higher end side. I feel like the higher end side was much harder to put on. I had to keep applying foundation because it was so streaky, but the drugstore actually looked so much better. So I feel like at the end of the day, do both look the same. I just feel like you'll pay less and be saving more money with the drugstore side. Please give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. If there's something specific that you would like to see, please comment that below or write me on any of my social media and I'll be happy to do so. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.